Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Dendix from the 2022 Wave 8. We have William Byron's Raptor Next Gen car. On the back, you're going to get Ryan Blaney's body armor, Chase Briscoe's High Point car, Chris Buescher's Castle Next Gen car, and many more. Let's get William Byron out of his box. So first we have the sticker, which has a a lightish yellowish green number 24 with his name and the Raptor logo, and also with the slash marks to make it look like a Velociraptor just slashed right through the Raptor logo, along with the slash marks in the paint scheme right here, and with a nice eye. Actually, what most people don't know about the eye of the sticker, looks like a Velociraptor eye. So here we have William Byron's Raptor Next Gen car. So Raptor must have been part of the Exalta brand, because this year William Byron has been driving the Raptor car a lot more. So what you have here is the hood of the car. So it has the Raptor with the slash marks from the claw marks of the Velociraptor. As you can see, there's a piece of his eye with the slash marks in it. Obviously, he's looking right into it. On the side of the card, you got the number 24, the Raptor, the same. I'm not sure where the eye... Oh, there it is. The eye is above the Raptor, above the R. On the back, it has RaptorTough.com. I'm not sure what this company does, but it must have the same feeling as what Exalta does. Also, by the way, he did draw a car in Dover with white, because of white and with the nice blackish green kind of color, because that was his backup car. And this year, I think this car is a little bit bland. I mean, it does look a lot similar to his 2021 car, other than the fact that number 24 is moved to the front wheels a lot more. On the sides, you got Liberty University. And I think that'll wrap up today's video. There's a sticker again. Well, then that'll be all for this episode, and many more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.